Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see the calibration and the method of sample analysis using Systronics water analyzer 371. Okay, first we are going to see the calibration and sample analysis method for turbidity. First we need to plug in and switch on the instrument. Then we can see the model and name of the apparatus in the display. And now we are going to first calibrate the turbidity. So we need to select that function, and after selecting that we need to wait. After 30 or that much second, then it will show to put distilled water and filter. We need to wait until that. So now it is showing to put the distilled water and filter. So we are going to put the distilled water. And this arrangement is for calorimetry, so we need to remove it from the apparatus. And for calibrating the turbidity, we need to use this cuvette. And I have taken distilled water in the cuvette. I'm going to insert it. And then this is a filter. It's a blank filter. We need to use this filter itself. And there are some other filters are also available with some color markings, but we need to choose the blank one itself for turbidity. Insert it properly. Then another important thing, cover the distilled water. Whatever sample we are keeping here, we need to cover it with this cap. Okay, then we need to press enter. And again it is showing wait for some seconds, and then it is showing put the standard NTU. Now we are putting 100 NTU. And also note that against 100 NTU, the digit mentioned is 3. So after removing distilled water, we are going to keep the 100 NTU solution, standard solution. And then again we need to cover it, and we need to press 3, means 3 is the digit corresponding to 100 NTU, and then enter. Again we need to wait. Then it will display to put the sample. So we need to take off that NTU solution and to keep our sample solution, and again need to cover it. Then to press enter. Okay, again it will display wait for some seconds, and after that it will display the turbidity value of the sample solution. Then press escape. For this turbidity, we need to calibrate the instrument whenever we switched on it for the first time. Okay. This is the method by which we need to prepare the standard NTU for turbidity. Then what is NTU? NTU is nephelometric turbidity unit. This is the unit for measuring turbidity. Okay. Then for that, first we need to weigh 5 grams reagent grade hydrazine sulfate and dissolve it in 400 ml distilled water, which is solution A. And then we need to weigh 50 grams of pure hexamethylene tetramine and dissolve in 400 ml distilled water, that is solution B. Then we need to mix these two, A and B, and make up 2000 ml. And after that we need to keep it for 48 hours to settle. And that solution, that prepared solution, is the 4000 NTU standard stock solution. Then after 48 hours we need to prepare different NTUs, different concentration. So in the procedure we are using 100 NTU. Even then we need to know how to prepare 500 NTU, 50 NTU. So that's what 500 NTU is prepared by taking 12.5 ml from this stock solution and make up to 100 ml. 100 NTU is prepared by taking 2.5 ml of stock solution and making up it to 100 ml. Then 50 NTU by taking 1.25 ml stock solution and make up to 100 ml. In this way, we are preparing the different NTUs for turbidity. Next is the calibration and sample analysis for conductivity. For calibrating conductivity, first we need to press cal and then press the function that we are calibrating, that is conductivity. Okay, on pressing it will display to put the standard KCL. Before that we need to connect the probe for conductivity and the probe for temperature. Before that I am going to show you the probe that we are using to test the conductivity. This one we are using. So I am going to attach the probe for temperature. And after fixing that temperature probe and conductivity probe, we need to dip it in standard KCL. Here we have taken 0.1 normal KCL and we are dipping the two probes in the solution, and then we need to press the digit corresponding to 0.1 normal KCL. It is mentioned 3. So we are going to press 3. Okay, then after that need to wait for some time. Then it will display cell constant. Then we need to press again enter. We again need to press enter, and it is showing calibration is over. Then we can analyze our sample. For that we need to press again the function that we are analyzing, and it will display the cell constant. Then press enter. Then it's showing put the sample. So we are dipping the probes, temperature and conductivity probe in the water sample, and enter. Enter. Then need to wait for some second to get the reading. Okay, we got the reading here, temperature and conductivity. Next, we are going to analyze the sample for TDS. As we already calibrated the instrument for conductivity, there is no need to calibrate it again for TDS. For testing TDS also, we have to use the same probe that we use for conductivity, this one, and to connect the temperature probe also along with that. Then we need to select the function TDS, and it will display send constant. Then we need to press enter. On pressing it will display put sample. Then we need to put the sample, means put the electrode in the sample, and then to again press enter. Then it will display wait, and after few seconds it will give the result as ready. Okay, next we are going to do the calibration and sample analysis for salinity. For that, first we need to press cal and then need to select the parameter that we are calibrating, that is salinity, and it will display the cell constant. Again we need to press enter. Then it will show to put the standard. Here the standard is, we are using is 30 ppt NaCl, and then press the digit corresponding to 30 ppt, that is displayed in the screen, that is 3, and on pressing that it will display wait. Finally it will show calibration over. For analyzing the salinity, press salinity. It will display cell constant. Need to press enter. On pressing enter it will display put sample. Then we need to put the probe, same probe that we used for conductivity and TDS. Dip in the sample solution and then press enter, and giving that enter instruction, again it will display wait for few seconds and then give the reading. Okay, this is the preparation for the standard solution for calibrating salinity. That is the different concentration of sodium chloride, like 10, 20 and 30 ppt. How can we prepare a 10 ppt concentration of sodium chloride? By dissolving 1 gram dried NaCl in 100 ml. 20 ppt by dissolving 2 gram in 100 ml. 30 ppt by dissolving 3 gram dried NaCl in 100 ml. And here we have used 30 ppt NaCl. Okay, I hope that the demonstration is very useful for everybody. Thank you.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.